Okay, welcome to the class, students. This is classification of plants. Classification means according to the habitat, how plants are classified. We are going to study about that. You can see in your textbook aquatic plants, terrestrial plants. In terrestrial plants, you can see plants growing in hot and moist climate. Example, mango, coconut, rubber. In plants growing in a dry and hot climate, that is hot and dry means cactus, aloe vera. Similarly, plants growing in moist and shady climate, that means fern,
Say mango tree,
yes.
uh,
Then
rubber tree, sal,
salt tree, those are hot and moist. Okay, rubber, salt, coconut,
then coconut, and
yes. Mango,
say banana.
yes. Uh, those are growing in hot and moist climate. Okay, that means hot and moist climate means in Tarai region. Hot and moist climate means Tarai region. Okay,
What is that?
yes. Then dry and hot climate, that is desert.
Desert.
Yes, dry and hot climate means desert
Desert.
climate. And then moist and steady climate, that means mountain climate. Moist and shady climate, that is low altitude mountain where there is mostly shadow. Where there is mostly shadow, in that place, these plants are growing moist and shady. That means fern and mushroom. Then plants growing in cold climate. Cold climate means high mountains. High mountains plants or Himalayan.
Say like fir, pine.
Yes, pine, cycas, and another is that pine branch, that is dhupi. Yes, those and
Yes, and
Christmas.
fir also. That one, just like Christmas one.
Christmas, yes, Christmas. Like Christmas, there are many plants like Christmas. That means cone shaped plants. Okay, those plants growing in very high altitude. That means high mountains and Himalaya.
Places.
Okay, okay. Then let's start. Okay, mostly plants are classified in two groups, that is terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial means mostly on land. Aquatic means,
Grow on land.
yes, aquatic means grow in water.
On water.
Yes. At first, terrestrial plants.
Celestial
What are
plant.
the main characteristics of plants which grow on land? Terrestrial.
Is that they grow on land and
Yes.
who is watching
Yes.
TV
Plants
and
that grow on or in or from land. That means some plants grow directly on land and some plants grow in land. That means just below 1 or 2 inch below the soil. And some plants grow from land. Roots are on land. Okay, and they may be creepers, climbers, etc. And some plants amongst terrestrial plants, some are small and others may be very big, like tree. And big plants, big trees have very big trunk. Trunk. Trunk means that biggest part of the tree, which joins plants to the ground. That is trunk. Yes, biggest stem. That is trunk. And while others have soft stem, some plants may have soft stem, some may have very strong stem.
Third trunk means that tree, that body part.
Yes, tree biggest body part connected to the ground. That
And
part.
trunk means that elephant nose also.
Yes, that is also. But in this
Okay.
context, this trunk means biggest part of the tree which connects tree to the ground. That is faith.
And stem means that
Soft, yes,
that
soft. Stem means
soft one.
soft. Branches. And
Some plants.
uh, among plants, some plants bear flowers and some plants don't give flowers. And plants grow in different places according to the types of the plants. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
just like mango, they grow on Torai region,
Thorai region,
the
hot and
hot places,
yes, different
and
places.
fir pine in cold places,
Yes, cold places.
moist and
And
shades places, mushroom.
yes, and some plants grow on rocks also. Some plants grow on rocks. Rocks means
So,
big stones.
yes,
Like that
uh,
uh, algae and some kinds of bryophytes. Some kinds of bryophytes and algae grow on rocks also. And some plants cling to the fence. Fence means, do you know fence means?
say again.
Fence. What is the meaning of fence? Do you understand? Fence.
Cling to the. Sir, I think.
Fence
Sir, no,
means
we don't.
wall made by
What about Umrino?
fence means that bar in Nepali bar.
Ba.
Okay. In field around the field there is one protective.
Oh, sir, you say in Nepali bar, matlab.
Yes, bar. Fence means around field. There is protective wall made by bamboo or any
Sir, compound.
yes compound. That is fence. Then some plants cling. Cling means attach. Attach to the fence also. And some plants are found in the field. In the field means
Sir, yes,
crops.
that some plants like cucumber
Yes,
and
those cling to the fence. Yes.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then, in short, aquatic plants means living in water. Yes. Epiphytic plants means living on trees. Some plants live only on trees. Do you know that nowadays very famous that uh, herbal plant, very famous due to COVID-19? We are habituated to drink water soaked with that stem. Do you know? I forgot the exact name.
Sir, yes,
In Nepali, it is called gurjo.
yes. Sir, yes, we
Yes,
have
yes,
also
yes,
plant it.
yes. That gurjo plant climbs on trees. Climbs on trees. If there is no tree, there is no possibility of that plant. Gurjo, okay? That is epiphytic plant. And
Okay, sir.
other plants that is lithophytic. Here is spelling mistake, okay? Litho. Litho. Here is T missing, okay? Lithophytic plants. That means living in or on rocks. Plants which grow on rocks or inside rocks, in bureaus of rocks, those plants are called lithophytic. Aquatic means water, Epiphytic means tree, lithophytic means rocks. Okay, by the word you
Okay.
remember the types of plants. Look here.
So what?
Uh,
So characteristics.
yes, about why plants grow in different places and what may be their adaptation modification. They have to live in certain
Plants in
environment.
different
Yes,
places are
and plants are
exposed.
exposed to different conditions. Yes, according to the conditions, they develop a strange type of modifications, and plants' shapes and size are also modified, and uh, because they have to survive, they have to survive. To survive, plants modify their shapes also, size also. Look here, plants like banana produce big, broad leaves. Why do bananas produce big leaves? To trap more energy. That means solar energy. Banana tree produce less amount of leaves. Therefore, a few number of leaves are not sufficient for photosynthesis. Number is less, therefore size becomes very big to trap, to get more sun energy. And plants which grow in water develop waxy leaves. If the leaves are not waxy, waxy means oily type. If the leaves are not waxy, then what happens? By long time deep in water, those leaves will decay. Leaves will decay. And some plants like cactus, which grow in desert, they are also waxy because due to waxy leaves, leaves are not dehydrated. In sunlight, what
Say
happens?
that.
If leaves are not waxy, sun will make leaves dry in short time. But desert leaves
Said
are,
dehydrate means when we does not drink water, we become
yes,
dehydrated.
yes. Dehydration means amount of water is less inside body. That is dehydration. Okay. These are some adaptation modification. And look here, one cactus plant. Cactus is best example of desert plants. In cactus, leaves are waxy and thick also because how much water is absorbed from the ground, that is stored for long time in thick waxy leaves.
So
Waxy,
aloe vera is also
yes,
a desert
desert
plant.
plant. Yes, aloe vera is also desert
I
plant.
don't think so it's a desert plant.
Aloe vera is also desert plant. You can keep one plant in one flower pot, and in another flower pot you plant that aloe vera plant is, and pour water to other plant and don't pour water to aloe vera plant. Then even then aloe vera plant will live for long time.
Oh,
Okay, if the leaves are
okay,
very
sir.
very thin, and if you don't pour water regularly, that plant will dehydrate in short time and will die also. But aloe vera will not dry, will not die because it is thick in structure, and outermost layer is waxy. Outermost layer is waxy. Due to that, water will not escape out from the leaves. Therefore, aloe vera can live for long time. And roots of some plants are developed, adapted to their habitat. And cactus plant have very long roots because in upper layer of the land water is not available. Water is to be collected from very deep inside. Therefore, cactus plant have very deep or very long roots. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now
So,
types of
terrorist,
plants. Terrestrial
terrorist.
plants. There are four habitats according to our syllabus. Plants growing in hot and moist climate. This means Tarai region. Plants growing
Hot.
in hot and dry climate.
Sir, desert.
This is desert plant. Plants growing in moist and shady climate. That means mountains, low
Sir,
mountain
sir. Hmm.
in mountain.
Mushroom.
In mountains, okay, this is in mountains, like our village, that means
Oh.
Sindhupalchok, Dolakha, that mm, what is called that
Sir, its plant is mushroom. Yes.
mushroom. Yes. Then others, plants growing in cold climate means very high mountains and icy cold.
Colder climate.
Yes, Himalayas. Okay. At first, plants growing in hot and moist climate. Main characters, okay? Main characters. Plants which grow in hot and moist climate. That means in Tarai region. Then plants are very tall and they have hard shoots. Shoots means stems. Plants which grow in Tarai region have tall body and stems are very hard, very strong. Then
Yes.
they develop more amount of leaves, more leaves. Plants have to sustain hot climate. Therefore, use
And another, there is one. The rate of photosynthesis is also high
I
in.
look here. More leaves are at the top. At the top means uh, at the top part of the leaves. At the top part of the leaves, sorry, plants leaves are more. That means it makes the plant structure like this. Okay, plant's structure will become like this. This is stem. This is trunk. Okay, this is stem,
Okay.
trunk, and more leaves will at the top means body will be like this, like this, like this. Here are more leaves. In these areas, more leaves are there. That means sunlight will be obtained or absorbed by most of the leaves because all leaves are open to the sunlight. Then more leaves at the top means in this side. Leaves are many. Okay, and shape becomes like this. This is most probable shape of the tree. Example of plants which grow in Tarai region are mango, coconut, rubber,
And sal.
sal also. Coconut plant also have this shape. Yes, coconut. This is
Yes, sir, just
uh,
like that.
this is coconut plant and leaves here leaves broad leaves.
Yes. Sir, but rubber plant is a little bit different.
Little bit different, but most of the characters are similar. This is
Yes.
coconut tree. This is coconut tree. So coconut tree shape is this is, and in this plant also top part have more leaves to absorb more amount of sunlight. Okay, in
Okay,
this
sir.
way, in this way, these are the main characteristics of plants.
Sir, and they need a large amount of water also.
Yes. Look here. Plants in plain means Tarai region. Okay, Tarai region may have several branches. Branches are also many. They can survive in very hot climate and may shed most their leaves in autumn. That means in autumn season, leaves will be shed out. Leaves will fall down. Shade means leaves will fall down in
Falling.
autumn season. Okay, it is autumn season means dry season. In dry season, there is less amount of water on the ground, and if there are more amount of leaves in the tree, then what happens? Water from the ground absorbed by roots will be exposed out through the leaves. If leaves are already shed out, then there is less possibility of evaporation of water from leaves. Okay, therefore, in autumn season, leaves are shed out. And another example, neem, people,
People.
gulmohar, these are also. Okay,
Okay, sir.
these plants in growing in Tarai region or plants which grow in plain or plants which grow in hot and moist climate. Same climate, okay? Same climate. Okay, Alisha, what happened? Okay, okay. Now plants which
Sir,
grow.
I think our brother is reading in another side.
Okay, Binod sir is teaching, I think. Okay. Plants which grow in dry and hot climate. Dry and hot climate means in desert. Okay, desert. Look here.
Okay.
They have ability to survive even in hot climate. Even the climate is very hot, they are able to survive. They can live. There are different types of modifications in plants. And these plants are called xerophytes. Desert plants are also called xerophytes.
Okay.
Okay, Xerophytes. These plants are also called xerophytes. Remember these xerophytes. Okay, these plants are also called xerophytes, and they have thick and small leaves. Leaves are very thick and small. Size is small, but area is sorry. Thickness is more, but area is small. Desert plants. Have you seen that leaves in cactus?
Sir, yes.
Leaves in
In photos,
have you seen
not in
leaf
real.
cactus?
No, sir.
No.
In mobile TV, we Ayush Chaudhary. Who is Ayush Chaudhary? Sir, I think there is one new student.
New where is
Sir, Ayush Chaudhary.
Ayush
Who is?
Chaudhary?
No,
What?
he is old student.
Alisha, Samata, Sandeep, Srirjana, Ayush Chaudhary. Ayush Chaudhary.
Who
Ayush
is
Chaudhary.
he?
Ayush Chaudhary. Okay.
Old but new in class.
In class new. Okay, I got it. Total nine. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Who is missing then? From Maharjan, uh, Anjali Karke, Binam Gautam, Bindama Sandeep, Srijana. Who is missing? Eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay. Okay. Then Then these plants, look here. This is I was about to draw one here. Uh, okay, okay, xerophytes. Then in cactus, body structure is like this. Body structure is like this. Uh, mm, then here is no leaf. This is stem. Here is thorn. Here is thorn. These thorns are leaves. Okay, thorns which are grown in cactus plants. Those thorns are modification of leaves. Modification of leaves. Therefore, these are uh, small size leaves, and there may be another small flower also. In those flowers, there are small leaves. Those leaves are uh, very small and thick. Okay, in this way, plants which grow in desert climate have small leaves, but thickness is more. They are thick, and stems are round. Mostly stems are round, and some are flat. Some are flat. Okay, Anjali, what do you want to say? Anjali Karki, nothing. Okay, then uh, roots grow very deeper in the ground to collect water and salt from deep inside the soil. Okay, roots of those xerophytes are very long. Example of plants which grow in desert are cactus, aloe
Cactus,
vera,
aloe vera, and
opuntia. Yeah,
opuntia.
yes.
Sir, and AGAV.
What?
Sir, AZAVE. What's that?
Where is that?
Sir, not in book.
Okay, maybe that is also cactus group. Okay, that is also
Okay, sir.
cactus group. Okay, then look here. Now another plants which grow in mountains.
Okay.
Mountains means in
Cold places.
cold places. These plants are usually tall, straight, and have a cone shape. This cone shape. Look here. Cone shape is there. Whatever is the plant size, the shape is cone. This type of shape. This type of shape. Okay.
Sir,
Plant body.
that is
Yes. This shape is cone shape. Then by the shape of the plant, we can say that uh, this plant grows in mountains. That means cold climate. And they are flowerless. Have you seen flowers in Christmas tree? Have
sir.
you seen
No, sir.
flowers in Christmas tree?
No,
Sir.
sir.
No. Then have you seen flowers in that pine tree?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
because
sir.
these plants grow in mountains in cold climate. In cold climate, their shape is conical. This cone shape, they have no flower, and they have cones. They have cones. Look here, they have cones. They have cones. That pine cone. Pine have two types of cone. One is male cone, another is female cone, and seed is inside that cone. If that is cone, if this is cone, if this is cone, inside cone there are leafy structure, leaf-like structure, very hard structure, and in this is cone.
Sir,
Okay,
that is fine. It looks like a feed.
Yes, in pine there is cone. Those cone have seeds. Okay, but no flower. Without flower, they have seeds.
Sir, no, but in pine there is some places.
What is flower?
Sir, there is yes, a flower, not what? What's that? Just like flower.
Just like flowers, but they are different from general flower. Okay,
Yes, sir.
they are
In our house, there is one pine tree and
okay.
feed also,
That plant, that flower is different types, and actually they are
and
not
it is
as
very small.
small. Yes, and leaves are needle like. Pine tree has needle like leaves.
Needle shaped
Yes,
leaves.
needle shaped leaves. And Christmas tree has also needle shaped uh, leaves. And
Yes,
uh, pine tree has more alike needle shape. Christmas tree have semi needle shape. Okay, semi needle shape, not totally needle like, but semi needle shape. No flat leaves. No flat leaves are there. Okay, and they prevent, and they have waxy coating to prevent any damage from snow. When snow falls over plant, then those snow cannot damage tree because all leaves are covered with wax. Wax, that is the latex. In
yes.
leaves there is latex coating. Due to that latex, uh, these leaves
They
are
helps to
not,
save the snow
yes,
and
they are not damaged by snow. Okay, okay, then
now plants
yeah, now
growing in moist and shade.
it's a moist and shady. That means mushroom and fern. Okay, mushroom and
And
fern.
liverwort.
Yes, liver oat means that plants which are found on the shady wall, shady wall, where always sunlight is not directly placed there. Yes, where sunlight is not possible, where sunlight is always blocked by the wall, that is shady, and in that shady wall, liverwort is grown. And fern and mushroom also are
And moss also MOSS. Moss.
yes, moss and liverwort. Moss and liverwort are like fern and that what is called that neuro.
Yes,
Yes, neuro
I,
and fern. Unnu, fern is unnu, and neuro is that edible fern, edible. Like that, liverwort and moss. Moss is also grown in shady place. In that shady place where there is no sunlight, mostly sunlight is
Excuse me,
blocked.
sir.
Yes.
and
Sir, your class inside good speech
lichen
rejoin
also.
करने हो?
And lichen also grow.
Okay. 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 Then those plants, mushroom and fern, grow in shady place.